Flowcharts are crucial for strong software patent applications. Let's explore the best practices. Flowcharts are essential as they clearly visualize the process and logic of your software invention, which is vital for patent examiners. Start by using flowcharts to clearly define the step-by-step logic and methodology of your patentable software invention. Flowcharts are particularly important when using means plus function claims, as they illustrate the structure and algorithm performing the function. Ensure every step in your flowchart can be mapped directly to a specific element or claim in your patent application for comprehensive coverage. Now, let's look at the best practices for creating effective software patent flowcharts. Always use standard flowchart symbols correctly. Standard symbols communicate your process clearly and eliminate ambiguity. Detail the exact sequence of steps and decision points in your software's process. The clarity here is critical to patentability. Your flowcharts must fully support the written description of your invention, making the overall application cohesive and robust. Knowing what to avoid is as important as knowing what to do. Let's cover common pitfalls. Avoid being too high-level or too generic. Your flowchart needs to show the concrete steps that make your invention unique. A major pitfall is failing to show the novelty of the invention. Clearly highlight the unique aspects in your flowchart that distinguish your software. In conclusion, well-crafted flowcharts are invaluable tools that significantly strengthen your software patent application by providing clarity and support for your claims.